In this video, I'm going to compare 16 amps Type C MCBs from Schneider, ABB, Siemens, Eaton, Legrand, Chint and Noark. Sorted by price, I cover standards, quality, availability in Europe, UK, Ireland, US and compatibility in Asia. When you line up miniature circuit breakers from different brands, you don't just see plastic housings and datasheets. At least I don't. I remember the first time I had to choose between a premium brand and a budget one in a real project. It wasn't just about saving money, it was about trust, because when a fault happens, you want to be sure that breaker will trip, protect your equipment and maybe even prevent a fire. That's why these comparisons matter. Why is MCB important? The job of an MCB is simple but critical. It protects circuits from overcurrent, whether that's an overload or a short circuit. It trips automatically, disconnects the circuit and keeps your installation safe. Every brand claims to do this, but the way they build, test and distribute their breakers make a big difference in real-world reliability. First, Chint. NB1 series, budget but practical. Let's start with Chint. The NB1 series is the most budget-friendly option, usually around 3 to 7 euros. It meets IEC standards, has thermomagnetic trip protection and even a contact indicator. Build quality, basic, but for cost-sensitive residential projects, it's practical. In Ireland and the UK, you'll find them in Screwfix or Wesco. In Asia, Chint is everywhere. China, India, Southeast Asia, thanks to local manufacturing and aggressive pricing. Reviews often say it works fine, but don't expect premium feel. And honestly, that's fair. It's the go-to when cost is main driver. Next up, Noark. The B1N series sits in the 10 to 15 euros range. What makes it interesting is compliance with both IEC and UL standards, so it can be used in Europe and North America. Compact, thin rail mounted, reliable, it's a solid mid-range choice. Availability is growing in Europe and Asia. Noark is expanding fast and reviews highlight its versatility, good balance of price and compliance. If you are working on projects in Europe and Asia, Noark is a smart option. The third one is Schneider Acti9. Schneider's Acti9 series costs 12 to 22 euros. Schneider is known for premium build quality, positive contact indicator, up to 20,000 mechanical cycles, and a reputation for reliability. Widely available in the UK and Ireland through RS, CEF and YES. In Asia, Schneider is strong. India, China, Southeast Asia and everywhere. Reviews often mention its solid click when you operate it, and that's not just a gimmick, it's about confidence. For LV panels and professional installations, Acti9 is a common choice. Eaton breakers cost 18 to 25 euros. They comply with IEC and UL standards, so they are versatile for Europe and US markets. Eaton balances affordability with reliability. Availability is strong in Europe and US, moderate in Asia. Reviews usually say dependable but not flashy, and that's Eaton's style. Practical, industrial, no nonsense. Legrand DX3 sits in the 20 to 28 euros range. Sleek design, reliable performance, popular in residential and commercial projects. IEC compliant, widely available across Europe. In Asia, present but less dominant. Reviews often highlight looks good in consumer unit, so if design matters, say visible panels in home, Legrand is a strong pick. And Siemens breakers cost 20 to 30 euros. IEC compliant, robust design, seamless integration with Siemens panels, strong availability in Europe and the US, well established in Asia and the Middle East. Reviews emphasize reliability, feels industrial, built to last, trusted in automation projects. Siemens is often chosen when integration with their ecosystem matters. Finally, ABB. It costs 23 to 33 euros. Premium option, IEC compliant, suitable for residential and industrial use. Features like double clamped terminals and energy limiting class 3 set-it parts. ABB is strong in Europe, India, China, and the Middle East. Reviews often say expensive but worth it for critical projects, and that's ABB's reputation. High reliability, industrial focus. Summary. For budget projects, go with Chint. For mid-range with global compliance, Noark, Eaton, Legrand, Siemens are solid. For premium reliability, Schneider, Siemens, and ABB stand out. It's not just about price, it's about trust, availability, and the confidence you feel when you install it. I'm a master's level electrical engineer based in Dublin with over 10 years of experience in medium voltage system design and substation protection. And this is Exa Power Lab, where I break down electrical engineering, product comparisons, and practical insights. Thanks for watching, and I invite you to check out the other videos on the channel for more.